Hello, I'm here with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 camera, and this isn't really necessarily a review of the camera. I've done plenty of those on my channel. I'll link a playlist up here. But what I want to talk about here is the Mic Air, the first wireless mic made specifically for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the Insta360 X5. I'm Ron from Ron Brown's YouTube channel. We discuss a lot of tech gear, action cameras, drones, pocket cameras, anything that helps a small content creator get the kind of footage they need for the channel. And even more importantly, probably in most cases, is good audio for your channel. So yeah, we know that DJI has released a series of mics in the last few years. The Mic 1, the Mic 2, and the Mic Mini. And the great wireless mics, they connect to various DJI devices without any kind of a transmitter receiver type thing. You just Bluetooth them right up to the camera, and that's all you need. I mean, they work wonderfully, easy to connect. Audio is great on them, so on. But prices, they're a little high on the Mic Minis, of course, a little bit cheaper. So, but the Insta360 hasn't had that for their recent releases, like the Ace Pro 2 and the X5. But now, just earlier this summer, they released the the Insta360 Mic Air. And it's more on the line of the Mic Mini. It's a small, compact thing, and it's kind of a plain box here. Just on the side here, it says queen size and ultralight, high quality audio, one press, noise canceling, and so on. And and this is the kit that only comes with the receiver. I did not buy the kit with the transmitter. We'll get you the pricing on this kit. Of course, this is very affordable without the receiver. So I can only use these, with the two products I just mentioned earlier. I cannot use these with any other third-party product unless I purchase, the receiver part of the equation. So yeah, simple white box. Showing the accessories in the back here. I won't talk about those because we're going to take them out of the box here in a second here. So yeah, so let's get started here with the unboxing. All right, testing 1, 2, 3. We're using the new wireless Insta360 wireless mic. Forget what it's called. I think it has a name. And we got it connected to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. It connects to it without any receiver, just a transmitter. And we're on the back deck right here, and we're wondering how this whether this is going to sound better than using the built-in speaker on the Ace 2 Pro. On my back screen with all my stats, I do see a looks almost like a pair of Apple earbuds, indicating that I'm in Bluetooth mode for the recording. Funny how companies not Apple uses kind of their iconic earbud look here. So rather than just put a generic microphone up there, I guess they want to indicate it's wireless. Here's a little case that comes in. Here's my iPhone. Here's one of Aldrin from FlyPass, one of his little cases here. And there's my backyard. There's the owl to keep all the critters away here. That really works well. Okay, here's the box here. It's I've already taken the cellophane paper wrap off here for its interest time here. So okay, here's the nice well-made box. Nice. I like the white and black here. Very classic. And let's see. Here's our little booklets here. What to say here? User manual. The thin user manual here. We'll read this over later here. No stickers or anything else in there. And here is the mic here. It comes inside a little kind of a portable. Looks like a portable little box here, and nothing else here. So that's it for the simple boxing here. Here, it has a little carry string here too, and it has a little Insta360 kind of like a rubber thing going on there on the zipper here. So yeah, this is a case that's kind of made of kind of feels like, that kind of rubbery, kind of maybe even water resistant surface here. Now I don't know that for a fact. It didn't say that in the box, but so it's completely round. This is what they call it, a hard soft case. It's you can press in, but it's definitely formed to so it protects your item. Okay, so let's undo the zipper here. Looks like the zipper goes, almost all the way around, and just that little patch there, it doesn't. So the zipper goes 90% of the way around or better. So we open it up here, and we have a little divider thing here. So let's go right over here first. This looks like this is the mic air right here, the main unit here. Get on the camera there. There's the back. There looks like a button on the side there, like an on and off button. And it looks like that's the only button on the thing. Oh no, here's a speaker grill on this right here. A black speaker grill. I thought it was another button, a speaker grill. So there's that. And again, one button, kind of one, I said speaker grill. Maybe mic grill here. So, and on the back, it looks like it has a little kind of opening at the top there. I don't know what that's for. Maybe one of the accessories here. So we'll put the mic down here. Now here is this looks like a magnetic, component here. Yep. So, you would stick that, under your shirt here. You can either put this under your shirt or this little thing that says Insta360 right in the shirt. But that's kind of subtle there, so you can wear that without drawing a lot of attention, on the street or in your videos here. So that's how you will hook it to, your shirt. And what else do they have here? Here they have like a clip. So you can also clip it to your shirt. Let's see here. Oops. This stuff is real magnetic here. Let's put this way over here. See that little thing there? Let's see here. Uh-oh. That wasn't the right side. There it is. So there, that I did it backwards there. So it says Insta360 on the back there. So that back part is not where you put the magnet to. You put it on the other side. So you can clip it onto a shirt collar, or a pocket or anything like that. You can clip onto. So you have two ways of doing it: just a regular magnet and a clip-on magnet. So that's pretty handy. Let's put this stuff here. Oh, I can't get these things even the same side of the table together. They're so magnetic. What else do we have here? Okay. Now this upper part here has a little mesh pouch here. So okay, here oops, I'm fumbling here. Here it looks like your what do you call it? Your dead cat here. If you're outdoors, it's real windy. This will cut that down. We'll figure this out in a second here. I'll put that on. Let's see if we got anything else. Okay, looks like a lanyard sort of thing. And here is, okay, that's your USB charger. Okay, so that's it for the case here. So we have a USB charging thing here. This is USB-A, instead of USB-C, you still USB-A. And let me remove this magnet here again. So this would go on here for charging. So you have the pins. You have the 3 pins there and the 3 pins here that line up. Okay, it's got a magnetic component too, not as strong as the other one. So that lines up, so you plug this in USB-A and charge it up here. Okay, so let's put that to the side here and check out this this wind muff here. Okay, so on the wind muff, I can already see there's like a thing for like a button there, and there's one on the other side too. So I guess it doesn't matter which direction you put it on. They have two things to put over your buttons there. So let me put it over here. Okay, so it fits pretty good, and you can still use it with the magnetic accessories here. Let me try one here. Let me try this one. Yeah, so you can still easily use it with the magnetic accessories when you have the wind muff on. So, and it looks like it stays on pretty good and easy to take off. Again, you just line that power button up on either side, with the cutout for the button there. And one more way to do it here. Here is with a little mini rubber band on it. Here's a lanyard type of thing. Also with the same magnetic clip that we first showed you, but this time it's on a lanyard. Also saying Insta360, so we want to, oh, there you go. Yeah, the Insta360 always good on the other side. So there's your lanyard you can wear around your neck, if you prefer not to have it strapped to your shirt. And let's see here. It looks like it maybe has like an adjusting thing here, so you can adjust how far it you know, it falls down your neck here, because maybe you won't want it all the way down as low as it could go, because that'd be too far away, you know, from your voice. So okay, so that's all you get with the thing here. Let's see if it has any. Let's see if I can get this off here. If it has any power already, you know, out of the box. Okay, let's see if it's a power indicator any place. Oh, there, you can see the little blue light at the top there. So I think I just tapped it, but I think you had to hold it down for, you know, a beat or two for that blue light to come on and turn it on. So, and we'll get more into the instructions on how to pair this with your devices here in another part of the video or in the next video. All right, folks, that's my unboxing and first look at the Insta360, you know, Air mic. I don't know whether this will be a standalone video, or we'll put this in part of a broader video when we talk about the project here. And one last thing, kind of a sneak peek for a future video. Here is the Explorer grip kit for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And this kind of turns your Ace Pro 2 kind of into a real camera with that grip or whatever. It even has this shutter button and everything that on. So this could be a really cool gear for vloggers. In fact, with something like this and this Air mic or whatever, Mic Air, is the 360 Ace Pro 2 and X5 are shaping up as pretty good vlogging devices here, you know, for the summer of 2025. So, okay, that's it for this segment. And if it's not the end of this, if I don't come back to the bigger segment here, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. Ring the bell so you know when I put up new video, especially more videos on the Mic Air, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, you know, the X5, all this type of gear here. In fact, I'm gonna make a vlogging video about how this, you know, how good all this equipment is, you know, if you're a vlogger out there. But yeah, so you know, thanks for watching the video, and I won't say goodbye here. I'm gonna pin another video up top there that related to this video probably, or tech in general. So, you know, I will see you at that next video, folks.